Hello dear friends, I'm making this video for those who are new to eTwinning and need some help into getting started. First, you need to do is go to your project list. When you find the appropriate project under which you want to work, you go to the twin space of the project. The twin space is actually the working area of every project. I have arranged all the pages and all the activities that we should do. They are under the page list. There is the project schedule, the ice-breaking activities, our Christmas story, let's celebrate Christmas together, useful information with information for people who are new to eTwinning, and the teacher's corner. When you open a page, you will see, for example, here the project schedule. You will see all the information which we need in order to complete a successful project. Here, in this tab, there is the Home section, Pages, Materials, Forums, Live, and Members. All your work should be uploaded under the Materials section. For example, if you want to upload images, you will create first an album which will contain the name of your school. After that, it's very easy. You open your album and select an image from your computer. If you want to upload a video, then you should have uploaded the same video on YouTube or some other action. You copy the link from YouTube and then you just paste it into the video section. Also goes for files. Under files, you will also just upload the file from your computer. For the teachers, there is the teacher bulletin, which is not available to students. Here we can type short messages in which we can exchange ideas or tell what is important. The project journal is actually the place where we share all our work and which are going to be visible for every member who wants to visit our project. There is the project chat where we can chat, and there is also the forum section and live where we can schedule our appointments. If you want to add your students, it's very easy. You go to the members section and, for example, you just invite members. You can choose between teachers, pupils, or visitors. Visitors can be parents. Under pupils, you will just select the username. For example, I've got a student. If they already have a eTwinning account, or if you do not have, you just go to invite new pupils. You write their name and their surname and go verify. You choose a password for the student, which can be the same for every student, and just confirm that. Your student can log into TwinSpace using the given credentials. Also, when you want to add new material, for example, you want to add in the Teacher's Corner, you will open the page. For example, when you open the page, here is the Padlet where everyone can introduce themselves. For example, if we choose these Christmas lesson plans, you will go Edit Page, add the content that you need, and then save the materials. The area of the ice-breaking activities, Our Christmas Story, and Let's Celebrate Christmas Together is meant for the students. If we want to obtain the quality label, we have to involve our students. The Teacher's Corner will contain materials which will be only for teachers. If you want to create a new page, then you click on this button. You write You write the name of the page, then you have to choose who can see the given page and who can edit. You can add your pupils or visitors as editors too. You write down some text, and if you want to put it under any page, you will choose in this corner. Then click Save. If you need any help at all, you can always contact me on Facebook or WhatsApp or here in eTwinning. Thank you.